Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and today we're going to install the WinDoor 238 fixed window. In this video, I'm going to unpackage the product and show you some suggested tools you'll need for this install. Here is the aluminum fixed 238 window. I'm now ready to unpackage it safely. Here are the fastener covers that were shipped with the window. I'm going to set them off to the side for later. Here are some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Starting with the right size level, cordless impact screw gun, glass cup, tape measure, Phillips screwdriver, razor knife, and the appropriate sealant. To recap, I've now unpackaged the window and showed you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to install this window into my block opening.